Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I hope you have a fun day at school. And today in Science Lab, we're going to make another catapult. Why do you think we make this like a few weeks ago and we make it right now? I figure because it's so much fun to do and so easy and doesn't require a lot of stuff. So we're just going to make another one. Let's get started. So all you need is popsicle sticks. I have the skinny one like so, but if you don't have this size, you have the bigger one, that's fine. You probably need around 6 or 7 because we're going to stick it together. And then a plastic spoon like so. Okay, if you don't have plastic spoon, if you want to use fork, it's not going to work because we're going to put Pom Pom in there. And then rubber bands. And then Pom Pom. If you don't have Pom Pom, you can use ping pong ball or any kind of plastic balls. That works too. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to take 7 of the popsicle sticks. Okay. And just leave the rest aside. Okay. And then you do it like that. Put it. And then after you stack it together, you take a rubber band like so, and then you tie it together. Okay. This. Okay, and then after you have this, don't tie the other end because we're going to slip one popsicle stick to the bottom. So you take the bottom one and then slip it over like that. Okay, so you should have something like this, right? And then you tie the other end with rubber band. So it will make something like this. Okay, this I already made it previously. See how tight it is? Make sure it doesn't move. Like slide to the right or slide to the left. So it's secure and tight over there. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to tie one of the popsicle sticks to the plastic spoon with the rubber band as well. So you take rubber band like so, and then you tie it together. The plastic spoon and the popsicle stick together. Alright, you have something like so, and then you tie it with the popsicle stick that you just made with the rubber band as well. I will make sure to double tie it with the rubber band so it's secure, so it doesn't move everywhere when you launch your Pom Pom. So you have something like so. Okay, so you're done. We're making your catapult, and then we're going to test it out with the Pom Pom. I have like assorted color of these, but I think I'm going to use the pink one because the pink one is my favorite color. So I put it like that. Oops, put it like so, and then you just launch it. Woo! That's actually went really well. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, this time I put it this way so you can see it. Wow, that's actually went really well. Let's try it one more time. This time I'm going to put like 2 Pom Poms in there so you can see it real quick. Wow, that's actually went really well. Okay, so actually this is so much fun to do. Pom Pom is so light, so that's why you can launch it really well. Otherwise, if like heavy duty balls, I don't think it will work. Oop. Try it one more time. It's actually went really well. Okay, so I hope you try it. If you try it, please let us know in a comment in our Instagram or YouTube down below. And then until next project, I hope you have a good time, and then don't forget to watch our Make It Monday, our story time, and I hope you have a good weekend. I'll see you soon.